We had a really great morning with more than 25 customers in this room with lots of laughter but also very serious work to really develop the technology's very own trend radar.
We actually combined two methodologies. One was the trend radar game and the second one was creative problem solving. They learned about new trends that are impacting the logistics industry, and in the second part they were deep diving to bridge to new horizons.
We have learned a lot. We got to interact with competitors, customers. You get to get different viewpoints.
It was great because I learned different logistics trends and technology trends that I didn't know about. I got the time to talk to different executives from other companies. I learned from them.
It's been very useful to see that different industries from different geographies, they all have the same issues or challenges ahead. It became evident that many topics were like at a crossing.
They came up with ideas to overcome challenges and had a concrete list of actions to come out with, so everyone contributing to make this a reality.
In a very short time frame, we could really develop in a very focused way and very simple approaches to tackle these challenges which are ahead of us.
These are really great juice of information and ideas for us to carry this on to the ideation phase of the Innovation Center.
It was amazing. It was a very great experience.